What to do when a woman backs away from you. It can be disheartening when the woman you care about begins to withdraw from you. Despite your efforts, such as giving gifts or chocolates, she seems intent on creating distance. There are various reasons why a woman might start acting distant, whether it's because you've been preoccupied with another person or if one of your actions has caused hurt. Without delay, here's how to address the situation when a woman is pulling away from you. 1. Don't act clingy. The primary reason women are quickly turned off is when someone behaves desperately and clingily. No one desires a partner constantly hovering around, inquiring about their activities and companions. Avoid being overly demanding of her time, as bombarding her with constant texts will only cause her to lose interest in you. 2. Stop all contact. If she's expressed that you're too clingy, it's crucial to cease all texting and calling immediately. Focus on meeting new women and refrain from dwelling on thoughts of her. If she holds any interest in you, she'll reach out on her own accord. 3. Don't act frustrated. If you encounter her by chance, avoid displaying frustration or hurt. Doing so may convey that you haven't moved on, potentially pushing her further away. Appearing clingy and visibly frustrated by her actions will likely not affect her in any meaningful way. 4. Meaningful conversations. If other approaches haven't yielded results, consider requesting a meeting to achieve closure. Inquire about the reasons behind her recent distance and withdrawal. Take the opportunity to reflect on any mistakes made in the relationship. Effective communication is essential not only during relationships but also during the process of parting ways. 5. Meet other women. If she hasn't shown renewed interest in you, it's an indication to redirect your thoughts away from her. Engage in social activities, explore dating apps, and connect with new women. Embrace enjoyment in your life, as it's essential to release the pain. Allow the healing journey to commence. 7 ways a toxic relationship could ruin your life. Dr. Lillian Glass, a communication and psychology expert based in California, defines a toxic relationship as any relationship where individuals fail to support each other, leading to conflict and one person attempting to undermine the other, marked by competition, disrespect, and a lack of unity. Based on this definition, it's evident that being in a toxic relationship is incredibly challenging. Such relationships have various detrimental effects on both partners. Here, we examine 7 ways a toxic relationship could devastate your life. 1. It can ruin your self-esteem. In a toxic relationship, your self-esteem suffers greatly. When your partner mistreats you or repeatedly betrays your trust, it can lead to a significant decline in self-esteem. This negative impact extends beyond the relationship, affecting other aspects of your life. You may begin to question your worth as an individual, friend, or colleague. 2. You will be surrounded by negativity. In a toxic relationship, you consistently experience a negative mindset, which inevitably influences other aspects of your life. This leads to perceiving things from a pessimistic perspective, affecting your outlook on everything. 3. You will be tired all the time. Devoting all your efforts to a relationship without receiving anything in return is physically, mentally, and emotionally draining. Continuously striving to support a toxic partner takes a toll on you, gradually depleting your energy. Over time, this exhaustion can escalate into chronic fatigue. 4. It can turn you into a different person altogether. The strain and upheaval of a toxic relationship can elicit behaviors that you wouldn't typically engage in. Under constant stress and negativity, aspects of your personality that you may not favor can surface more prominently. 5. It can make you lose hope for the future. Toxic partners have the capability to instill doubt, leading you to question the existence of genuine and loving relationships. This skepticism can impede your ability to believe in the possibility of finding a supportive partner, should you manage to break free from the toxic relationship. 6. You will stop trusting yourself. Entering into a toxic relationship after a string of poor decisions can prompt self-reflection and self-doubt. Questions arise: why didn't you anticipate it? Could you have made a better choice? This ongoing self-examination can erode your self-trust over time. 7. It can isolate you. A toxic relationship can cause you to withdraw from both family and friends. You might believe that your friends are tired of hearing about your problematic partner, leaving you with little else to discuss. Ways to make one-sided love successfully work. Amidst stories and songs about unreciprocated, one-sided love, it's challenging not to empathize with the pain and heartache involved. Dealing with one-sided love is already difficult, especially when the person you deeply care for doesn't share the same feelings. While persistence can occasionally lead the other person to reciprocate your affection, it doesn't always guarantee success. In light of this, here are some straightforward methods to navigate one-sided love. 1. Let them know you're thinking of them. Consistently make your presence felt by them. Clearly communicate your feelings without ambiguity. Engage in activities that evoke thoughts of them. For instance, sending a message like, "This movie made me think of you," can be quite compelling. 2. Be a good friend. Being a dependable friend to them is incredibly comforting. Focus on building their trust and allowing them to rely on you willingly. Trust holds greater significance than mere infatuation in serious relationships. They will appreciate getting to know you on a deeper level, and there's no better approach than being their trustworthy friend initially. As the saying goes, friends first, love next. 3. Make them see the best in you. Strive to be your most exceptional self whenever you're in their presence. Display your brightness and joy whenever you're with them. They'll be delighted to see the positive impact they have on you. Subtly highlight your significant accomplishments and exhibit a positive personality. Help them realize what they're potentially missing out on. 4. Don't obsess over them. Avoid obsessively stalking them on social media simply because you have feelings for them. This behavior is unsettling, and if they become aware of your fixation, they may cease communication altogether. It's an extremely unhealthy habit, as maintaining boundaries is crucial in such circumstances. 5. Be there for them. At times, you might feel frustrated when they struggle to reciprocate your feelings, but don't allow this to push you into making a mistake. Ensure that you're there for them whenever they require your support, love, and care, as these qualities are invaluable. However, be mindful that they might also start taking you for granted. Despite your efforts, if you continue to feel unfulfilled and believe they won't love you in the same way you love them, it's advisable to exit the one-sided relationship. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.